Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Law Office of Bryan Fagan's YouTube channel. I'm Michael Edwards, and today we're diving into a topic that affects countless families in Texas, and that is a discussion of Texas Senate Bill 869. Today, we have an important discussion that affects families right here in the great state of Texas. We'll be diving into Texas Senate Bill 869 and how it can impact you and your loved ones under Texas state law. Let's begin by understanding what Senate Bill 869 is all about. This legislation brings significant changes to family law in Texas, particularly regarding child custody and visitation rights. Its primary focus is to prioritize the best interests of the child in all decisions made by the court. Under Senate Bill 869, if a child is at least 12 years old, their preferences regarding custody arrangements are given weight by the court. This means that the court can actively listen to what the child has to say about where they want to live and the visitation schedule. It's essential to clarify that while the child's wishes are considered, the final decision still prioritizes their best interests. This is a critical point to understand. The court will assess the child's emotional and physical needs, their relationship with each parent, their ability to adjust to a new home, school, and community, along with any history of abuse or neglect. To put things into perspective, let's dive into a real-life scenario. Meet Jackie and Ben, a divorced couple with 2 children, Emily and Mason. Under the new Senate Bill 869, the court aims to create a custody arrangement that ensures both parents have significant access to their children, fostering a sense of stability and emotional well-being. Senate Bill 869 would promote shared parenting, encouraging both parents to actively participate in their children's lives. This legislation would strive to create a nurturing environment for children to thrive in. As parents, it's important to foster open and healthy communication with your children during divorce or custody proceedings. Understanding the children's feelings and concerns can not only help them navigate the process, but also contribute to more amicable and child-centered solutions. This bill also addresses the rights of grandparents. In certain circumstances, grandparents may now have the opportunity to seek visitation or custody of their grandchildren if it is in the best interests of the child. In conclusion, Senate Bill 869 is a significant development in Texas family law, emphasizing shared parenting and the best interests of the child. If you find yourself in a situation like Jackie and Ben, it's crucial to consult with a qualified family lawyer who can guide you through the legal process. Thank you for joining us today as we've discussed the impact of Texas Senate Bill 869 on your family. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable legal insights. If you have any questions or need further guidance on this topic, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember, knowledge is power, and we're here to empower you. Until next time, take care.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope it was both helpful and informative for you. At the Law Office of Bryan Fagan, we are here for you, so please let us know how we can help you with your family law, estate planning, or criminal defense matters by calling our office today at 281-310-5563 to schedule your complimentary consultation. You can find all of our social media info in the description below, and if you would like to stay updated on all of our videos, events, and promotions, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the notification bell.